mixed up, so I think she does a pretty good job 99% of the time. Now we also want to make sure our birds can do their natural behaviours, and for Fergie, that's to just hang around. Great job there, sweetheart. So that's a really important behaviour for our parrots because it means that they can, during a rain shower, get rain in underneath their wings so they can get nice and clean. It also means that they can get to any hard to reach nuts or seeds that might be up in that canopy as well. And I'm hoping that when he comes and lands on my glove next, you might be able to... His ear is actually higher up than the other. This means that reason for this, black-breasted buzzards primarily will soar up nice and high, looking for things like carrion, so stuff that's already dead in the environment, which is a very fancy rock. We've got our pretend emu egg, and great job. She'll line it up, smack it down, and crack that egg open. Now, that could be about 3 or 4 grams for threatened species.